Global markets are in rally mode today, but not every asset is joining the party. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. Today we are doing a complete deep dive into corn. Corn surged to $469.25 per bushel, a move of plus 8.18% on the session. Intraday, prices ranged between $458.75 and $471. Let us break down exactly what is driving this move. This comes as Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop, adding pressure to energy markets. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Now let us look at the broader macro picture. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. This comes as Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop, adding pressure to energy markets. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. The key macro overlay remains monetary policy. Equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Any surprise in the rate path could trigger outsized moves. Rate expectations remain a key driver for growth and technology stocks, which are highly sensitive to discount rate assumptions. On the data front, equity markets are responding to reports that S&P 500 and NASDAQ end higher on cool inflation data, solid bank earnings. Meanwhile, Brent crude edged higher plus 1.06% to $85.63. Traders are reacting to news that OPEC cuts demand forecast again as the oil market starts looking past Hormuz. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Meanwhile, WTI crude is up plus 1.13%, trading at $80.24. Traders are reacting to news that OPEC cuts demand forecast again as the oil market starts looking past Hormuz. Crude oil prices today, oilprice.com. Meanwhile, natural gas edged higher plus 0.59% to $2.92. This comes as Wall Street ends lower as Iran tensions dampen risk appetite, chipmakers drop, adding pressure to energy markets. Coming back to corn. The momentum is firmly with the bulls right now. A sustained break above recent highs could open the door to further gains. Volume and open interest will be key to watch. Here is our near-term analytical view on corn. With momentum this strong, traders will be watching the $497.41 level closely. A clean break there would confirm the uptrend and could bring in additional momentum buyers. Risk management remains critical. Always size positions according to your own risk tolerance. In terms of what to watch next, keep an eye on weather forecasts and key producing region developments. Before we wrap up, here is your watch list for the sessions ahead. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We do the research so you do not have to hours of analysis distilled into actionable daily briefings. If that is valuable, please hit the like button. It is the single best way to support independent market analysis and help us reach more investors. Subscribe and turn on notifications for tomorrow's briefing. Drop your view in the comments. Are you bullish or bearish from here? That is all from MTRS_Market Pulse for today. All analysis is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Trade safe and we will see you in the next one. That is our deep dive on corn. Subscribe to MTRS_Market Pulse for daily commodity coverage.